Here's the exact moment everything broke. I'm inside the Exchange Admin Center trying to mount mailbox database, and I am getting this beautiful message. Failed to mount database. And if that wasn't enough, Exchange adds error and Active Manager operation fail. You will also see several diagnostic codes. None of them are helpful when your users are screaming that emails is down. I am Angry Admin, and I will show you today how easily fix that issue. So let's start. You can clearly see here on the right side active server X01 angry MB01 database state dismounted and content index state not applicable. Basically, Exchange refused to mount it and the content index is dead. This usually means database corruption, dirty shutdown, missing log files, incorrect shutdown, or just Exchange being Exchange. That's it. So I ran ESEUTIL soft recovery, didn't help, and hard recovery would risk data loss. So what I did, I pulled the EDB file of the server and prepare it for repair using Stellar. So let me show you how to do it step by step. First step, let's go to Stellar page, and I will link that page in the description, and we need to download the tool for free. This is Exchange Server Recovery Tool. After a few minutes, once we have application downloaded, we double click on it and we start installation process, which is very easy. Okay, and let's launch the product. So as you can see, we open the product. Now we need to select this corrupt database. So click on browse, and I have my one in downloads. Okay, and we click next. We have two options. Quick scan. Quick scan is for fast scanning procedure, which is successful in most cases of corruption, or extensive scan, which when the database is more corrupt, it takes more time but gives better results. So let's have a look. Click OK. And here is our file. As you can see, we recover quite few accounts. As we can see calendar, and we can see that there are some entries in the calendar. Let's have a look. Let's see what's most interesting, inbox. And we can see that inbox is recovered, and we can see that the emails are there. So we can see that the most important thing is the emails are recovered and with the attachments. So let's double click on attachments and see if we can open one. And as we can see, there is a recovered file. So as you can see, inbox, sent items, draft, calendars, contacts, custom folders, everything is intact, even through Exchange refused to mount a database. So emails are readable and attachments are readable. What more? Now the best part is that we can right click on the account and save it as a PST, MSG, email, HTML, RTF or PDF. Also, we can export to Exchange or to Microsoft 365. This tool saved me hours. If you run any on-prem Exchange environment, especially other ones like 2010 or 2013, you need something like this ready for day-to-day database refuse to mount. All the links are included, and if you have any questions, just drop me a message. Thank you for watching, and as usual, if you found this useful, give a video like and subscribe to Angry Admin, and let me know if you want a full video on Exchange disaster recovery. Alright, catch you on the next one. Bye.